Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from howENGINEERSdoit, and welcome to the series Practice with Me sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CATIA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CATIA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 34. To start off, let's go to File, New, and select a new part template. And once the part template is open, let's go to the sketch and select the sketch tool, and will be displayed with 3 planes from which we can select one other plane to start the sketch. We'll go for the top plane and let's start doing the sketch. As I've previously explained, it's good to start the sketch from a particular origin. So I'll just start it from this origin. And then, as you can see that this model is not symmetric in any way, I would actually prefer to start it from the corner. If it was symmetric in any way, then maybe I would use a centered rectangle so I can just mirror some of the features. Alright, now I've created a rectangle. I'll go for Smart Dimension and dimension it. That would be 90 by 130, 160, right? 70, 130 and 160, right? Yeah, 160. Now we have that portion created. Now we have to create this slot as well, right? So I'll just use circle and then 2 lines, oops, another line, and use the trim entities tool and just trim this portion. I'll go for Smart Dimension again. Radius, how much? Radius 20, and this is at a distance of 30, right? So I'll just go for 30 here, and this circle is at a distance of 30 from here. Now we have this sketch fully constrained. Exit the sketch now and then go for Features, Extrude Boss and Base, and give a height of 40. Double enter. That would confirm that model. Now we have to do at this particular face, so I would again go for Sketch, and this time the planes will not be shown, so you don't have to worry. You can just do it from here. You can select the top plane, or else you can just simply select this face here and press Ctrl 8. So you'll be viewing it from the top. Okay. Now we have to do this particular part. So I would create a circle and another circle and yet another circle, and then use a Smart Dimension and dimension this circle here by radius 25. That'll be diameter 50, and this would be radius 20, so diameter 40, and this would be diameter 40 again. And then this circle is at a distance of 30, so I'll just go for a Smart Dimension and just give 30 here. And what else? What I would do now would be that I would just press Escape key, Escape, double escape, Control select the circle, Control select the circle and go for a tangent and click on the tick mark. Select this circle and select this circle here and go for tangent again. Good. Now select this circle, select this line here and go for tangent. Good. And finally select this circle, select the circle, control select this edge and go for tangent again. Good. Now let's select this line here and go for convert entities. That's converted. And now you can use the trim entities and trim the unwanted portions. Oops. We are supposed to get this trimmed. Okay, there's something wrong here. All right. Okay, so we'll just use a center line, draw a center line, and then select this line and this point and go for coincident. Okay, and now you can see that there is a little portion coming over here, so you can just use trim entities here. Alright, control middle mouse button, and let's remove the circle. Let's remove the circle by selecting and deleting. The item has associated dimensions or has been referenced outside the sketch, or is a seed of a sketch pattern. Do you want to delete it anyway? Yes, you delete it anyway. Select this circle and then go for mirror entities. Mirror about will be this axis here. Click on the tick mark, and finally you can use a trim command to trim it. And also just check if you have any part of the line which is, oops, control 8. Now you can trim this portion as well. If you just zoom and see that, you can see that there is a portion here which is not covered, and if you see on the other side, this part covers well. So there is some reason behind that. So basically we'll have to find out what it is. So maybe if you just drag it in part of the sketch, or else if you just draw a line here from here, just drag it, it's coming perfect. So maybe smart dimension from here to here, it's 43, so it's not exactly at the center. So basically what we have to do is delete this line here and then delete this line here, select this line, this complete edge, and then go for convert entities, and now go for center line and create a center line. Alright, now you gotta select this line and this point and go for coincident. Now you can see that on both sides it's having equal. Still looks a little problematic for me. Now just for the sake of reference, let's see if this distance from here to this point, it's 1.13, right? Now let me go on the other side, zoom out a little bit, zoom in, and let me again check the distance. It's 1.13. So this geometry is lying exactly at the center, right? Now as you can see that the sketch doesn't seem to be fully constrained, so we'll have to make sure that the sketch is fully constrained before we exit the sketch. So as you can see, it's moving fully outwards, right? And this is also not fixed. So let me do one thing. Smart dimension, radius 20. Alright, here also radius 20. Okay, I think no longer over defined. Radius 25, it's already defined. So what's stopping us now? It's still moving.